I'm going to show you. It's a surprise.
They brought you a surprise?
Uh-huh.
That's 2 surprises in 2 days.
What?
What's in there?
I brought him a surprise home too.
Oh.
But I think yours will be cooler.
What's that, Uncle Ray? What is that?
What is that?
A surprise.
Oh, yours is definitely cooler.
Spill down.
What is that?
Spill down.
Can you sing it?
There's a football in
Here
there.
you go. You can put it on your wall.
I'm gonna put it on the ground so I can sleep.
Want to see what else I got? I got another surprise.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'll put this right here. We'll go put that on your wall in a little bit, or in the basement, or where. What's that?
What's in there?
You want to guess?
Mm-hmm.
Guess.
It's another bear town.
No. What else could it be?
Black.
What's that?
Black semi.
A what?
It's a black semi in there.
A black semi?
Uh-huh.
Oh, not today. Maybe next time.
What's in
Oh,
there?
close your eyes. Don't peek. Cover them up. Cover them with your eye. Cover them with your hands. Maybe I'll keep it. Look at that!
That's a Cubs game!
Yeah, the Cubbies!
I love the Cubbies. What's in there again? That's it.
That's it, buddy. Sorry, are they lame presents?
That's the Cubs game.
Are they not good presents?
Mm-hmm.
Did you like your surprise, Josh? Uh-huh.
Off and running.